So I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. But then you shiver. But then you should know I don't really wanna take it slow. So if you love me, let's go.
What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today I'm going to do a quick and easy DIY slash, it ain't cooking, guys, but it's dealing with food. For this DIY, you're going to need a glass container, some pretzels, mini pretzels, and some candy melts. I picked chocolate. So let's get started, guys. Of course, make sure you read the instructions for your chocolate melts. And it's just simple. I'm using a microwave for mine. I'm not going to use this whole package. I might use like maybe 1/3. And if I need more, of course, I will do more. So follow your instructions of your chocolate package. And I'm just going to put mine in this bowl, melt it, and then do the next step. Then you add a couple of pretzels, and then cover them in your chocolate. That's simple, guys. And once you cover your pretzels, lay them on wax paper so they can dry. You can probably put them in the refrigerator. I'm not going to, but it probably make it go a little faster. But as you see, it's already drying, guys. And I did not put them in the refrigerator. So let them dry and then continue until you have the amount you want, guys. And it's that easy. And that's it, guys. All you gotta do is make sure, of course, your jar is clean, or whatever container that you're gonna put the pretzels in, and decorate it any way you want. I just added a cute little bow to mine. And the chocolate dries, like I said, immediately. You can find all these items except for the chocolate, the melted chocolate, at Dollar Tree. And it could be a quick, cute, inexpensive gift that I promise y'all will like. And I bought those particular chocolate melts at Walmart. So, and I don't recall the price, but it couldn't have been too expensive, guys. So that's it. And guess what, guys? They are good. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys next Sunday.